If you're over 60 and your legs feel weaker every year, listen carefully because what you're about to hear is something most seniors are never told. This isn't just aging, and it's not something you have to accept. The real reason your leg strength is fading may be a silent deficiency of 3 essential vitamins your body desperately needs at night. We told Tim your muscles can't repair, your nerves can't communicate, and your balance slowly breaks down. And here's the shocking part. These nutrients are natural, inexpensive, and not profitable. So almost no one talks about them. Research shows that one of these deficiencies alone can triple your risk of falls after age 60, slow muscle recovery by more than 30%, and dramatically increase leg cramps and nighttime weakness. But when seniors correct these deficiencies, especially before bed, they often report better balance, less pain, and stronger legs within days. Today, on Vitanic Bloom, I'll show you the 3 vitamins every senior should take before sleep to help restore leg strength from the inside out. Let's start with the one most people think they're getting but almost never are. Vitamin B12. Most seniors have heard of B12, but very few understand how critical it is for leg strength and stable walking. B12 is not just about energy, it's the communication line between your brain and your legs. When B12 levels drop, muscles don't receive clear signals. The result is weakness, numbness, tingling, poor balance, and eventually falls. Here's the problem. After age 60, your stomach produces far less acid, which means you absorb much less B12 from food. Even if you eat meat, fish, or eggs, your body may not be extracting what it needs. Studies show up to 40% of adults bear 60 of low or borderline B12 and many don't know it. Symptoms often start quietly. Numb feet, calf stiffness, nighttime twitching, or feeling unsteady when standing up. Over time, walking becomes slower and less controlled. Research published in Neurology found seniors with low B12 were far more likely to experience walking difficulty and falls. Timing matters here. Your nervous system repairs itself during sleep. That's when damaged nerves are rebuilt and muscle signals are reset. Taking B12 before bed supports this repair cycle. The best form for seniors is methylcobalamin, ideally as a sublingual tablet dissolved under the tongue, which bypasses digestion. Many seniors report better leg control and steadier walking within 2 weeks. Now, let's move to the second. Vitamin 1 most people completely misunderstand. Vitamin D3. Many believe vitamin D is only for bones. That's outdated thinking. After 60, vitamin D3 becomes one of the most powerful nutrients for leg muscle strength, balance, and recovery. D3 directly supports muscle protein synthesis, the process that rebuilds muscle fibers while you sleep. More than 70% of seniors are deficient in D3. When levels are low, muscle recovery slows, inflammation rises, and sarcopenia-related muscle loss accelerates, starting in the legs. That's when standing up feels harder, stairs feel steeper, and walking distances shrink. A major study found seniors who corrected low D3 levels experienced fewer falls and significant improvements in leg strength within months. D3 also calms inflammation, reducing nighttime leg pain and stiffness. And here's the key. Muscle repair hormones peak during deep sleep, which is why taking D3 before bed aligns perfectly with your body's natural repair cycle. Sunlight alone is no longer enough after 60. Your skin produces far less D3 than it used to. Most seniors benefit from 2,000 to 4,000 IU of vitamin D3 nightly, taken with a small amount of healthy fat for absorption, and no, it won't disrupt sleep. Many people actually report fewer night cramps and deeper rest. Now we come to the most overlooked vitamin of all and possibly the most powerful, vitamin K2. Almost no seniors take it, yet K2 may be the missing link preventing real leg recovery. K2 is not the same as K1. This is K2, especially the MK7 form, and its role is critical. K2 directs calcium to where it belongs, bones and away from your arteries, joints, and soft tissue. Without enough K2, calcium can harden tissues, stiffen joints, and weaken muscles. That's why many seniors have both bone issues and aching, unstable legs. K2 also activates genes involved in muscle repair and improves muscle energy use. In studies, seniors who took K2 showed significant improvements in leg strength and balance within weeks. K2 works best when taken with vitamin D3, especially at night, guiding calcium properly while muscles and bones rebuild. If you take D3 without K2, you may not get full benefits, and some people even experience stiffness because calcium isn't being directed correctly. The best form is MK7, taken in the evening alongside D3. It stays active in your body longer and supports overnight repair. Now, let's talk about how to do this simply without confusion. About 30 minutes before bed, take B12 under the tongue method. Take vitamin D3 and K2 together with a small fat-based snack, like a few nuts or almond milk. That's it. Keep it consistent. To make these vitamins work even better, 3 small habits help dramatically. First, hydrate steadily during the day. Dehydration weakens muscles and blocks nutrient delivery. Second, keep your evening meal light so your body can focus on repair instead of digestion. Third, do 3 to 5 minutes of gentle leg movement before peduncle circles, heel raises, or seated leg extensions to boost blood flow and nutrient delivery overnight. When you combine the right vitamins, the right timing, and simple habits, your body can finally do what it's designed to do: rebuild and restore strength while you sleep. You're not losing strength just because of age. You're losing it because your body hasn't been given the tools it needs. If this helps you, let us know in the comments whether you're starting tonight. We read and reply to every message here at Vitanic Bloom. Like the video, share it with someone who needs stronger legs, and subscribe for more science-backed health guidance for seniors. Your legs carry you through life. Let's keep them strong for years to come.